Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP Tip 29. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you my favorite transaction to search within ABAP coding to easily find that you would like to get to know, especially if you would like to get to know how a logic is already implemented in the SAP system. If there's anything left in your coding, if you would like to search for a different technical term, a comment and so on, there is one transaction that I use on daily basis within ABAP, and this is the code scanner. So to open up the code scanner, you can enter within the command field the transaction code _scanner. If you do this, then you will end up in here. So within the selection screen, you're having two mandatory input fields like the package, so where you would like to search for the information and what you would like to find, so which kind of technical term or which kind of search phrasing you would like to find, then this you have to enter. And you can also search for a second string if needed, or if you also would like to narrow your search down to detail your search, then you can enter also several additional objects. Within here, you can also exclude your search so that this string is used in the output, then it will not be printed or listed in the output hit list. And here you can also make additional options, and here you can specify which kind of object should be included in the search, so other programs, function groups or function modules, and classes. So if you know, okay, I just would like to search within my programs, then you can just keep programs selected, or if you would like to search for all of these three objects, then you can leave it in. So for example, let's enter a package. So I'm entering not a $TMP package, and I, for example, would like to search for ERP UP, for example. Then after entering your search criteria, your selection criteria, you click on this execute button or hit the F8 key. And then in the background, the search will be executed. And here you can see once again the package. And here you can find, see in which kind of program it's being called. And for example, if we double click on the hit list, so we double click in here, then you will go directly into the coding, into the line where your search term is being used in here. And here you can basically analyze the coding, and if needed, you can directly also go into the edit mode and make some changes. So if for some reasons the code scanner can't be executed for you, there's a little trick that might work for you. And therefore, first of all, we have to get to know the program behind this transaction. And this is here, let's check this out. So we enter code _scanner in the SE93. And here basically we can see the program. So let's give it a try in the transaction SA38, so the ABAP program execution. And with Control V, I'm pasting in this program and execute this. So if you don't have authorization for this transaction, then maybe you can give it a try with SA38 and execute there this program, or also with the ABAP editor SE38 with the object navigator SE80, and so on. And I have also already produced an own video about more transactions for ABAP search. I will link the corresponding video explaining you also additional transactions, but this is my favorite transaction that you can use to easily find technical terms or search phrasing in the ABAP coding. Yeah, and by said this, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. There's still 71 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks left. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.